Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we got selected this one, and now we'll change this wallpaper. So just to do that, we should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the wallpaper and style section. Here we got the my wallpapers, here we got our default device wallpapers, and here we got the folder with downloaded one. If you got some downloaded photos from the internet wallpapers, so you'll find them here. And also we got the gallery here, our device gallery, so you can choose the wallpaper from your previously taken photos on the camera. And now we'll go with the default wallpaper, so just click here, for example, and set lock screen. As can you see, we got here the message that this wallpaper applied to our lock screen. And now we can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should hold for a while your device screen, and here on the left down corner you will see the wallpaper section tab here, and by the same way you can select one from these available wallpapers or just explore more wallpapers in the just internet. Now for example we'll go for this one, just tap here, click to done, and click to the lock screen. And now we can see this wallpaper here. And now as can you see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.